Q8095. What is the likely result, if any, of servicing and charging nickel-cadmium and lead-acid batteries together in the same service area? A. The electrolytes in each battery are the same, so there are no significant differences. B. The nickel-cadmium would not be affected, but the lead-acid battery could become contaminated. C. Contamination of both types of batteries would occur. The correct answer is C. One battery type's electrolyte will contaminate another's. Battery stores segregate the two types of batteries for this reason. Each type of battery should have its own installation equipment, cleaning facilities, and charging methods. C. Lead-acid and nickel-cadmium batteries have different chemistry. Q8095-1. Which of the following best describes the operating principle in a nickel-cadmium battery installed in an aircraft? A. At full charge, the electrolyte will be at its lowest level and should be filled. B. To completely charge a nickel-cadmium battery, some gassing must take place. Thus, some water will be used. C. When positive plates slowly give up oxygen, which is regained by the negative plates, the battery is charging. The correct answer is B. The cells release gas towards the end of the charging cycle. If the cells are overcharged, this will also happen. The water in the electrolyte breaks down into hydrogen at the negative plates and oxygen at the positive plates, which produces this gas. There must be some gassing, however minute, in order to fully charge a nickel-cadmium battery. Hence, some water will be utilized. Q8096. The electrolyte of a nickel-cadmium battery is the lowest when the battery is A. Being charged. B. In a discharged condition. C. Under a heavy load condition. The correct answer is B. When a nickel-cadmium battery is discharged, the electrolyte level is at its lowest point, as the electrolyte is consumed during the discharge process. When the battery is charged or under a heavy load condition, the electrolyte level may increase due to the chemical reactions happening inside the battery. Q8096-1. The electrolyte of a nickel-cadmium battery is highest when the battery is A. In a fully charged condition. B. In a discharged condition. C. Under a no-load condition. The correct answer is A. When a nickel-cadmium battery is fully charged, the electrolyte has the highest concentration of active elements, which allows the battery to deliver its maximum capacity. As the battery discharges, the concentration of active elements in the electrolyte decreases, causing the battery voltage to drop. Under a no-load condition, the battery voltage may appear higher, but this is only due to the absence of a load drawing current from the battery. Q8097. The end-of-charge voltage of a 19-cell nickel-cadmium battery, measured while still on charge. A. Must be 1.2 to 1.3 volts per cell. B. Must be 1.4 volts per cell. C. Depends upon its temperature and the methods used for charging. The correct answer is C. The temperature of the battery and the charging technique have an impact on the end-of-charge voltage, which is measured when the battery is fully charged. A cell of a 19-cell battery would read about 1.5 volts at the end of a charge at 28.5 volts constant voltage, while reading about L.4 volts at a 27.s volts constant voltage state. This value would vary depending on temperature and charge current under constant current charging conditions. At 7SF, the voltage of a cell after 7 hours of charging at the 5-hour rate would be approximately 1.58 volts.